In the previous video, I explained 5 serious signs of people with chronic depression, and in this video, I will explain to you ways to treat, control, or reduce the level of depression. If you have the symptoms of depression that I mentioned in the previous video, be sure to watch this video, and if you have not yet become a member of our channel, be sure to subscribe to our channel. The 5 serious signs of chronic depression include 1. Sleep disturbance. 2. Physical fatigue or physical boredom. 3. Lack of motivation. 4. Lack of vitality. 5. Negative thoughts. Treatment for chronic depression can be varied and carried out in different ways. Below, I will explain to you a number of effective and important solutions for treating chronic depression. 1. Regular exercise. Regular exercise can help produce a set of endorphin hormones and increase your feelings of happiness, joy, and happiness. Even light exercise such as walking may have a positive effect on your mood. Even if you don't have time and it's hard for you to exercise, half an hour of walking in the early morning and half an hour of walking at night will help you a lot in reducing stress and depression. Exercising also improves your physical health. As they say, a healthy mind in a healthy body. 2. The second method is to use appropriate and nutritious diets. Healthy nutrition can have a direct impact on your mood and brain function and thoughts. Consuming nutrients such as omega-3 found in fish, and B vitamins or B complexes, and minerals such as iron, can help you feel better. Remember that if your body is low in vitamins and minerals, this will eventually cause you to be depressed. So it's better to use more fruits and vegetables that contain vitamins and minerals or take a multivitamin. 3. The third solution is meditation and breathing techniques. Techniques like yoga and meditation can help reduce stress and increase relaxation and the release of antidepressant hormones. Focusing on breathing and relaxing the body can reduce many negative emotions. So do meditation and relaxation, and if you don't remember, I will explain more about it in the next videos. 4. The fourth strategy is to get enough sleep. Sufficient and quality sleep is very important. Depressed people usually have trouble sleeping, so creating regular sleep habits and a suitable sleep environment is essential. For example, try to go to bed between 9 and 10 p.m. every night to get a full and deep sleep. 5. The fifth strategy is to write down your feelings in a notebook. Writing about any feelings you have can help a person understand them better and organize their mental processes. 6. The sixth strategy is to develop social skills, such as participating in classes or courses or group activities, which can help improve social skills and introduce a person to new people, which is very important in treating depression. 7. The seventh strategy is to play group games. Now, any group game or hobby with friends or family can provide you with happy times and is very important in releasing antidepressant hormones. 8. The eighth strategy is to avoid alcoholic beverages and drugs, even cigarettes. Drug and alcohol use can exacerbate and worsen depression. Avoiding these substances and replacing them with healthy activities can be very useful for controlling and treating depression. 9. The ninth strategy is to sunbathe or be exposed to sunlight. Exposure to sunlight can help increase vitamin D levels in the body and increase feelings of happiness. Being in sunlight for 15 to 30 minutes a day can be very beneficial. 10. The 10th strategy is to spend time with and play with animals. Keeping pets or being around them can strengthen feelings of friendship and affection and help reduce stress and depression. 11. The 11th strategy is to learn stress management techniques. Using techniques such as relaxation exercises, visualization, and mindfulness meditation can help manage and reduce stress, which we will have a video about in the future. 12. The 12th strategy is to spend time in nature and parks. Hiking and walking in parks and green spaces can help reduce stress and increase feelings of happiness. 13. The 13th strategy is self-care. That is, no matter how busy you are, Set aside some time for yourself every day and do whatever makes you happy, such as reading a book, calling friends, sleeping, shopping, dancing, or any other enjoyable activity. 14. The 14th strategy is to take a shower. At least depressed people should take a shower every 2 days, and it is better if you take a cold shower. 15. The 15th solution is to use perfumes and air fresheners, which cause the release of happy hormones. 16. Wearing white clothes or light clothes or clothes in warm colors such as yellow, orange, and red. 17. Psychological counseling and going to a psychologist is also a helpful way to treat depression. Another very useful solution in treating depression is to use herbal and natural teas, and I will explain a few very important teas to you below. Rosehip tea. This tea is one of the most famous and effective herbal teas for treating depression. Rosehip contains compounds that help increase serotonin levels in the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays an important role in regulating mood. To prepare the tea, pour a teaspoon of dried rosehip into a cup of boiling water and steep for 10 minutes. Then strain and drink it. Saffron tea. Saffron contains compounds that have antidepressant properties and help improve mood. Chamomile tea. Chamomile has calming properties and helps reduce stress and anxiety. Lavender tea. Lavender also has calming properties and helps improve sleep quality. To make a tea, pour a teaspoon of dried lavender into a cup of boiling water and steep for 5 minutes. Then strain and drink. Blended tea. To make a blended antidepressant tea, you can use the combination of herbs mentioned above together. Use the following: rosemary, 1 teaspoon. Chamomile, 1 teaspoon. Lavender, 1 teaspoon. Saffron, a few strands. Put all the herbs in a teapot and add boiling water to it. Steep for 10 minutes, then strain and drink.